Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where taskbar does not hide when you are on full screen mode in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, this is something which is typical of Windows. It is a part of the feature, it is a part of the build. It is not an issue or a problem. So even if I was using any application, it wouldn't automatically hide the taskbar. Yes, some games may do it, but most applications, like 95% applications, will not do it. But if you really want it to happen, then I will give you a good workaround. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Scroll down and expand taskbar behaviors. You will find this option here which says automatically hide the taskbar. It will automatically hide the taskbar whenever you are using a program. Okay, so that's how it can work. See, it's gone. I'm in full screen mode. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.